Are you tired of struggling with stubborn belly fat? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'm sharing 10 proven tips to lose belly fat fast that you can start applying right now. Tip 1. Stay in a caloric deficit. To burn belly fat, you need to consume fewer calories than you burn. Track your calories using apps like MyFitnessPal. Tip 2. High-intensity interval training. Short bursts of intense exercise followed by short rest periods. It's super effective for burning fat. Tip 3. Increase protein. Intake protein boosts metabolism and reduces appetite, helping with weight loss. Tip 4. Cut back on sugars and refined carbs. Sugar is a major cause of fat buildup. Reduce sugary drinks and processed foods. Tip 5. Drink more water. Staying hydrated boosts metabolism and helps control appetite. Tip 6. Get quality sleep. Poor sleep is linked to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Tip 7. Manage stress levels. High stress increases cortisol, which promotes fat storage. Try meditation or yoga. Tip 8. Increase fiber intake. Soluble fiber helps in reducing belly fat by keeping you fuller for longer. Tip 9. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol contains empty calories and contributes to fat storage. Tip 10. Consistency is key. Stick to your plan and stay patient. Results will come with consistency. So there you have it. 10 proven tips to lose belly fat fast. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more weight loss tips and motivation. See you next time.